Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're checking out the Angelique 1-inch ceramic curling wand for beach waves, short and long curls. A product designed to help you achieve those perfect waves without the hassle. Whether you're into beachy waves, sleek curls, or anything in between, this styling tool promises to deliver smooth, long-lasting curls with minimal effort. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Now let's dive into the features of this wand. The Angelique curling wand comes with a 1-inch ceramic barrel, which is ideal for creating natural-looking waves or curls. It heats up quickly to an impressive 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing even heat distribution that helps minimize frizz and lock in moisture while styling. The barrel itself is extra long, 6 inches, which is fantastic for larger sections of hair, allowing for faster styling without having to work with tiny strands. You also get a swivel cord that's 8 feet long, making it easy to move around without getting tangled. Plus, it comes with 2 clips to section your hair and a heat-resistant glove for added safety. As for real-world use, the Angelique wand is simple to use, even for a beginner. It heats up super fast, within seconds, and the temperature control gives you the flexibility to adjust to your specific hair type. I found that at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for thick or coarse hair like mine, but you can always dial it down for finer strands. The ceramic barrel ensures your curls come out shiny and soft, rather than dry or crispy, which is something I always look for in a styling tool. The glove included is a nice touch. It's not just a gimmick. It makes handling the hot wand much safer, and I didn't have to worry about burns, even when styling closer to my roots. That said, no product is perfect. One of the things I noticed is that while the barrel is non-stick, some hair types, especially thicker or heavily textured hair, might still experience a bit of drag. So if you have hair that's prone to tangling, you might need to work with smaller sections or apply a bit of heat protectant. The wand doesn't have a temperature display, so you're left guessing the exact heat setting unless you're familiar with how long the indicator light stays on. As for value, I think the Angelique curling wand is priced reasonably given its performance and build quality. With features like a high heat capability, ceramic barrel, and a tangle-free swivel cord, it's offering a lot for the price point. For those who curl their hair regularly, this could be a great investment. If you're someone who styles your hair infrequently or prefers a simpler tool, there might be more affordable options that still get the job done. But if you're looking for something that delivers quick results with minimal effort, this curling wand is worth considering. When comparing this product to others in the market, there are certainly a few competitors out there with similar features. Tools like the Conair Infinity Pro or Remington Pro Curlers might come close in terms of price and performance. But what sets Angelique apart is its sleek design and that extra long barrel, which makes it easier to style larger sections of hair quickly. For the price, this model feels more premium compared to some of the more budget-friendly options that can sometimes fall short in terms of heat consistency. Build quality is also solid. The ceramic barrel is durable, and the wand itself feels sturdy in hand. The long cord is a game changer for me. It gives you plenty of space to move around while styling, and the swivel prevents any annoying tangles that can ruin the experience. In terms of longevity, since it has a heavy-duty heating element, I expect it to last for a long time with proper care. As for customer support, I didn't have to reach out for any assistance, but I've read that Angelique is generally known for good customer service. They respond quickly to inquiries, and they have a reputation for taking care of any issues that arise with their products. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to check out the Revlon 1-inch Perfect Heat Styling Wand, which also offers a ceramic barrel and similar heat settings, though it might not provide the same long-lasting curl quality. However, for those who want the full salon experience, this curling wand's high heat performance and design make it worth the investment. So, does the Angelique live up to its claims? Absolutely. It provides consistent, professional quality curls and waves, is easy to use, and comes with safety features like the heat-resistant glove and extra-long swivel cord. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance curling wand, this one's a great choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.